Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yashaswini Mrutyunjay and this is my second video on my YouTube channel, and it's all about things which are very close to my heart, and these things make me realize so many important lessons in my life. So why waste time? Let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to show you, and before that, I know most of you guys will find this things very inappropriate and irrelevant about which I'm going to speak now, but these things are really very close to my heart. So let's get started now. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is these three little prizes. I know I have a lot of them, but now I'm going to show only three of these things because I cannot show all of them now. And why they matter a lot for me? Listen the story behind it. So from 2nd standard to 5th standard, at the end of the year, whenever the prize distribution ceremony used to take place in our school, I was the only girl who had just one prize with one certificate in her hand, that too for solo dance competition, because I do feel that I'm good at dancing, and that was the only prize I was given. And I used to look at others having so many prizes in their hands. I used to come back home with tears in my eyes, sobbing in front of my mother, enrolling myself in self-pity, self-pity, self-pity. And my mother kept quiet because she wanted me to realize why I was not getting prizes. And this continued like for many years, till 7th, 8th standard. I did not realize why I was not winning any other prizes except for solo dance competition, because I loved dancing. Other than that, I was zero at everything that I did. And then once in 8th or 7th standard, I realized my mistake, and I just self-analyzed myself where I was going wrong. Where I was going wrong is that I was very ignorant about preparations, something that is very important. I used to just decide what I'm going to do a day before competition, and used to do and perform whatever comes to my mind. Of course, that would never result in winning a prize. And then I realized the importance of preparation. Like, I just thought, let me just give a shot of preparing this time. Okay, whenever the competition is announced, the next day I'll start preparing, and let's see, why not, I'm going to win a prize. And guess what? I won. And then I realized, okay, you have to prepare, and I wonder how long time it took me to realize this simple thing, but it had taught me a great lesson in my life, the importance of preparations. It's very important to prepare whatever that comes to your life, no matter how small the competition is, no matter with whom you're competing with. It's very important to prepare yourself and never think that others are not sufficient enough to make you down. You must always realize that there is always somebody who is more superior than you and who is more good than you in whatever things you do. So it's very important to prepare well at every step of your life. Preparation before doing anything is very important, and now I've got a different perspective of looking into these prizes, that how important preparations are. So these prizes have taught me the importance of preparation, and now whenever I look at these things, I realize, yes, prepare yourself, Yashaswini. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is these medals. So before telling about these medals, let me give you a small introduction about myself, that I am very bad at sports. Yes, I am very bad at games, sports, and I am a kind of a person who love to sit and watch other people play, but I really don't like to go there and play the games. In my 5th standard, there was these many group sports that used to take place in our school, and I just decided to participate in it because I knew that my presence or absence would make no difference in the team, because I would not going to perform well, I'm going to perform bad. So it's better that I just participate, And guess what? My team win without me doing anything in the team. And I won these medals. And now when I look at these medals, I wonder at the possibilities and the opportunities that life throws at us. Life is full of surprises. Yes, it is. You just need to grab the opportunity that comes on your way, give it a shot, and try to squeeze every drop of it. No matter who knows, the next second of your life might be something which you have not expecting, and that will come on your way, and you have to just realize the importance of that opportunity and grab it and squeeze every drop of it. And life always throws at us some things which we are not totally expecting, like that which happened to me in sports. So it's important to realize the importance of the opportunity and squeeze it. Yeah. So And yeah, these two medals also. These is for the Science Olympiad. I have got the silver medal, and this is again for Science Olympiad, which I have got gold medal. So something which I had least interested, because I was more focused on my other studies than these competitions. I just participated in it and I got these medals. And looking at these now, I don't feel like ignoring anything that comes on my way. I always feel like, let us give a shot, let us try, let us participate. And these things taught me these important lessons of life. So coming to something which is very special to my heart is this token of appreciation, which was given by my school for the good results that I got in my 10th CBSE board examination. I topped my school, and this was a token of appreciation given by my school, and I had really worked hard for it. And now whenever I'm low at my life, whenever I look into these small token of appreciation, I just feel like dusting off and get back to work, hard work, and then whatever comes, it's the result of the Almighty. So this little special thing make me realize the importance of hard work and importance of having a desire to win. So yeah, this was the video about things which are really very close to my heart, things which have taught me a lot of lessons in my life. And I really felt like sharing these things with you all, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, liked this video. If you did, then please do like, share, comment, and all the good stuff. And yeah, one thing that I've noticed is the first video which I had uploaded about inferiority complexes, I've got a very good number of views. Thank you all. I will really appreciate the love that you all have sent me. But I have also noticed that I have got the least number of subscribers. I have only 61 subscribers, so please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle, that is Yashaswini_Mrutyunjay, and I come up with new videos every week. Yeah, stay connected, stay tuned till my next video comes up. Bye bye.